you another empties video. This one, it's a body care. I'm gonna go shortly over it to make it short and sweet. Pretty much those are the empties which I was collecting. We got the shaving cream, I should say the shaving gel. I used the Skin Mate for years. Then I decided to try the Pure Silk, and it was fine. I was surprised it lasted me for so long, but most of the time I just buy whatever it's cheaper. I can buy either or, so I have no preferences. Then we have the hand creams. I can easily link the video about them, but in general, this is the goat milk hand cream, which I did enjoy it. It's light, smells nice, and does the job. This is another cream from the same brand. That's their cotton extract hand cream, which similarly as the one of the goat milk was light, but comes in a bigger tube, and you can use it every time, or let's say, okay, it's not heavy, but you can use it every time you wash your hands or when you feel that your hands need something. And it's the same thing with the peach cream from Esfolio. It smells nice, but it doesn't give you nothing special. And if you like the smells, the EOS, it's on the same boat as the peach one. However, the EOS comes in many different scents. But if you like some heavy duty stuff, it's gonna be the Earth Therapeutics. That's their Gardener's Hand Repair, which is a little bit heavier, but it does miracles for your hands, because you're gonna see the results if your hands really need some help. Now let's just move on. We have the deodorant. I'm fine with the Secret Clinical because it does the job. Yes, it costs more, but guess what? You're not gonna smell yourself after a few hours. And then we have the original Dove, which is fine. I don't mind it. It's similar as with this one. However, I prefer, I should say, I use many of the one of the green tube. Then we have the hand washes. This is the, we have the Dial. It's a simple hand wash, I should say hand soap. We have two from Myers. That's their limited edition. Yeah, that's the limited edition. Both of them, they both smell nice. And even though, if you look at the scent, like radish and mum scent, it kind of seems weird. Believe me, it's not. They do smell pleasantly. And it's one of the clearer brands. So if you're conscious about the environment, it's worth trying out. Then we have the body washes. This one comes in a set, vanilla almond. It has a nice soft scent. It's a shower gel, so most of the time it's gonna go down the drain. But no, I didn't mind it. Then we have Aveeno body wash. I was in a hot climate for a couple months, so this one kind of saved me. And Aveeno, it's really gentle, so for sure recommend. Then we have from Soap. Yeah, not Soap. Soft soap. Here we go, blackberry sugar. This is supposed to have the little bits. I didn't get any exfoliating, exfoliating results, but was okay as a gel. And then if your skin is sensitive or dry, has eczema, or you don't know what else to use, you can for sure go with the little goat milk. Here we go. It's smiling at you. And I do like the goat products. I already tried from this brand their body wash, shower gel, hand cream, body cream. I know there was a few items which I did like it. So if you see it, just give them a try. Then I was happily surprised about this one. It came in one of the Target boxes. Even though the name says it's kind of manly, every man's jack, but it was a nice sandalwood scent and it was kind of refreshing. So yeah, I didn't mind it. So if you're on a lookout for like a new shower gel, or I should say body wash, you can easily give this one a try. Then we have small sample of the Serpent Glory Clean on Me. I have few bottles of it because most of the time they come in a set. I use this one when I was traveling. It has a nice sweet scent, but I don't mind it because it's a shower gel, so it's gonna go down the drain anyway. And then the last shower gel is the Eczema Soothing Body Wash. The thing which surprised me about this one, it didn't foam, and I don't understand why, because it's for eczema sensitive and eczema pure skin. It's something you don't want to mess with, so I understand why it doesn't washes. But if you're in a market or if you're in a search for something with along those lines, you can easily give it a try. Then you have the 3-Hat Sugar Scrub Tropical Mango. I went through a few of those. You know what? I like them because it comes in a big jar, smells nice, does the job, and it's kind of cheap. So I already repurchased this one. Then I have a couple vitamins. That's the Nature's Bounty gummies, and yes, they have a lot of different stuff. Similarly as the, oh no, let me just backtrack. Now with the gummies, because it's so many different, here we go, ingredients, you just take 1 or 2 and you're good, so you don't have to take too many of them. I already have a backup of it. And with the vitamin D, which is supposed to be good for your bones, and if there is not too many sun where you live, for sure you want to try it out. I already repurchased this one, and same concept as with the Nature's Bounty. Those are the gummies, so it's just easier to remember to take them. Then we have Summer's Eve face washes. It's kind of self-explanatory. I don't really matter which one I'm using, because you have Delicate Blossom, Simply Sensitive. I would say they work the same. As long as I'm clean, I'll be okay. Then we have few of their towelettes, and we're gonna finish it up with a toothpaste, because you cannot forget about your teeth. You cannot forget about your teeth, and I do enjoy the Sensodyne. However, not every single one, because let's say this one, yeah, it's okay, but it was a little bit too harsh, so I'm fine with the Repair one. Here we go. So anyway, that was my short overview, and I see you guys next time. Bye.